Yo, 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 what is up, peoples? So we are about to trade live for London session. We got some good setups that I'm looking at, and I'm right here with my boy Mario. We're gonna see if anybody else hops on here. Say what up, Mario.
Yo, what's up?
Boy Mario. So right now, EuroCAD is what is in my radar because Euro is gonna go hella bullish. Right now with Russia, talking about they're gonna say fuck the dollar and they're gonna look into other assets or other currencies to put in, which one of them is the euro. So I mean the euro is gonna go up. Right now, CAD is the weakest on Finbiz as far as the currency, uh as far as the currency strength goes based on finbiz.com, and they say that they are the weakest. So this is looking real good. Beautiful divergence on the daily time frame. Man, that's all I had to see. So I'm zooming it in. Right now I got this marked up on my other laptop over here, my other screen. I'm just gonna mark up what I have on my other screen. Oh, I already got it marked up. Already on there. So man, I missed the entry last night. Oh, tripping. It came up here and I knew it was gonna come somewhere around this zone. Oh man, I should have freaking been watching it last night. But right now, beautiful, beautiful time to enter. It's gonna end up maybe coming a little bit lower. I'm looking at it on a 5-minute time frame on my other screen. So I'm just following it. On the 5-minute, it has a mini trend that is gonna let me know exactly when it has broken out. That I am looking for 15-minute dojis, 15-minute dojis, which would end up building some 5-minute consolidation. And then we're gonna freaking bounce out of here. So that is what I'm looking for on Euro CAD at the moment. We will end up entering with around, let's see, with around 25 pips stop loss will be more than good. And that's 20 pip stop loss. So I'm going to go in this trade with 20 pip stop loss whenever it is ready to go. And we're going to take off on this. All right, so I'm going to leave that there. And then the other trade I'm working on is CAD JPY. All right, so CAD JPY. Nice. Building this nice little 5-minute divergence. Hopefully it'll push it back down right now. On this trade, I'm already in from last night, and it's still at the same place I went in, just messing around. So I'm in around this price action here, and I believe we're gonna go way lower, but we'll have to see. So this is divergent as heck right here. Huge move on the weekly. It looks like we have hit the resistance around here, and we should be coming back down all the way down here. So it's about 120 pip move or so. And I'm pretty sure it's gonna happen this week. So that's why I'm selling it already, obviously. But we'll see on this daily. That divergence is just out of there. That's why I'm so bearish on it, even though it has just been messing around. I started selling the first time here, went into profit for a quick second, and then bam. So I started selling again here. Hopefully it doesn't do the same thing. But with CAD being the weakest pair right now, I mean, I don't know. I don't know why it's going up. But the market does that sometimes. So we have our stop loss, and we're just riding the wave. So we can take it all the way back down. And we are looking at a 25. Well, I had a 30 pip stop loss on it. We'll just leave it at 30. So 30 pip stop loss from current price 905.85, stop loss 908.55, and we're taking it to the first target. I need to change these. Oh, damn it. Price 90.040, let's say. Second target 89,800. And our third target 89,500. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. It looks real good, but at the same time, man, just been going crazy. So Euro CAD and CAD JPY are gonna be the trades I'm gonna be looking at until 2 a.m. So see what happens in the next 30 minutes. What you thinking, Mario?
It's looking good.
So 30 pips. I'm risking $200 on each trade. Let's see. I got a $500 account. So tonight, this account is gonna be gone, or we're gonna be up at $1,000 minimum. See how it goes. It has to wick all the way off. And EuroCAD has been building momentum for 30 days, 31, 32 days, a whole month. Things about to take off. Those monthly candles, come on. Oh, snap. Okay, so in the 5 minutes, we have started to build that nice little consolidation. We're on the third 5 minute candle where it has stalled at that price. It's looking real good. It's looking real good. If we could just maybe have some kind of push up and another pull down, building some divergence or something, that'd be real nice. But low key, this is a good time to enter. So if we don't want to risk missing out on more price, what time is it? 36. So we have 10 more minutes, about 10 more minutes for that 15-minute candle to close. This 15-minute candle could come all the way back up on a 1 minute scale. Yeah. Entry. Let's go. Let's see. So I am calling the entry right now where it's at with that 20 pip stop loss. Let's go. Let's go. All right. And let's see how this goes. All right, so we're about to start 2 a.m. 2 a.m. is when everything shows its true colors. It's about to get real. 1 a.m. it just kind of for a lot of the pairs, it just does a fake move and tries to get you out of the market, and then it'll do its real move. So everything's looking real good for the way I trade right now. It's looking real good. Let this 15-minute close as a doji. Man, that'd be even more of a confirmation. But on our lower time frames, we had already seen that consolidation and price is pretty close to our target, so we don't want to miss the entry because we're waiting on 4 or 5 more pips for it to go down. So gotta get it. Boom. Just took off. Okay, okay. So exactly what I was saying on the early entry, um, that this could have ended up pushing up and the 15-minute candle could close swallowing this one. So from the looks of it, we're going with that scenario right now. So right now it's real good that we did go in here. Beautiful entry. Again, it could come back down, but from the looks of it, it's gonna close. So I'm expecting something like this. It's gonna close as a green candle, and then the next candle, the one that's gonna go from 1:45 a.m. to 2 a.m. is gonna be like bam, and then 2 a.m. is gonna close, and we're just gonna freaking rally. That is what I'm expecting. So let's see if we can make it happen. On CAD JPY, I am expecting the same thing. Well, here, let me open up both. Ah, come on. Wow. My thing didn't get charged. All right, so on CAD JPY, let me just show you. Sets. Here we go. Same thing. I'm expecting it to just drop from where it's at right now and go our way all the way down. So let's see if we can catch this drop. Bam. And let's see if we can catch EuroCAD on the way up. Both of these pairs are already in. And let's see what we can do. Looking real good. One more minute for it to close on a 15-minute scale. Looking real good. We're about to make some money. Get it. Let's get it. All right, so EuroCAD again on the hourly. Putting the picture back on. We have broken out of this huge trend that we had. We're looking at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 touches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You could debate 6, 7. We broke out of it, came back down, retested it. Beautiful retest. Look at that. Beautiful retest that we're doing right now, just so that we can make a higher high. So that hour, look at that. Oh, we're gonna close. That's beautiful. Oh, gee. It's gonna be a good night. Everything is panning out. Everything is panning out. Man, so right now, just to do some math, if we went in and you had, let's say, $300, you could have hit a standard on this if you would be willing to risk 200 out of those 300. So if you'd be willing to risk about 70% of your equity out of those $300, if you had an account, $300 worth, example, and you hit a standard, you would be risking the $200, and we would be trying to get at take profit one. $500. All right, so risking 200 to get 500 at take profit one. At take profit two, you're looking to get $1,000, risking 200 to gain 1,000. And if we write it to our last target, you're looking at 200 pips, and you'd be looking at $2,000. So 200 to get 2,000, 1 to 10 ratio at our third target. Not too bad at all. Not too bad. Let's see what we can make happen tonight. The 15-minute has closed. And now what we're waiting on is the hour to close. So another 15-minute candle, which I'm expecting it to mess around a little wick, come up here and close somewhere around this zone. And that'll make it a nice hourly doji closing around price action 147, 170 or so. 170, 180, 190, somewhere around that area. And the 2 a.m. candle might push down just a bit before we rally up. So just from what I see right now from the candles, that's the scenario that I'm kind of playing out in my head that could happen. So we'll end up looking like this.
I'll probably get some sleep, bro.
All right, Brody. Ahí estamos, man. Tomorrow.
All right, then, bro.
Brody. So this is what I see here. Bam. Coming down. Ooh, maybe retouching. Ooh, yep. Possible retouch. Maybe a divergence here on the retest and then go up. So 2 key areas from where it could go up. two key areas. To go up from here, or they could go down a bit lower and then finally go. All right, so those are the two scenarios that I am looking at the moment. That's good. All right, we got 8 more minutes for 2 a.m. So okay, everything's looking good. CAD JPY is dropping. Euro CAD is rising. Let's go. Let's go. Let's get it all day long. It's about to get crazy, guys. It's about to get crazy. Okay. Euro CAD. I want to go get a little bit of juice. So I can see AUD Chef as well is rising, but I'm not gonna go through that one right now. We're just gonna stick with these two. 4 more minutes for 2 a.m. Four more minutes. Let's see how the 5-minute candles are looking. They're looking good. But yeah, it is looking very possible that we can come down to make a divergent move. Or yeah, something like this maybe. That's what it looks like to me at the moment. But 20 pip stop loss will be able to handle whatever. if on the 5 minutes it does that double bottom, that's the drawing I have here, guys. Let me move this out the way. What the heck? Oh my god, what is this? This drawing that I have here, that would be that double bottom on a 5-minute time frame. And this is your 20 pip stop loss all the way down here. So yeah, you don't have anything to worry about it consolidating there. I'm just saying though, I hate going negative, period. I what I say, I try to not go negative at all. I try to get the best, which I know some people are like, really? Can't, you gotta go negative. But I try to get the best entries so that I can have the least drawdown possible. Because yeah, you gotta go negative type stuff, but um if I can go in an entry and be 2, 3, 5 pips negative before going into profits for 20 pips or so minimum, then that's a good trade for me. That's what I'm into as far as trading. I am a what is it called? I just straight up brain for it. I'm a position trader. I need to get the perfect entries, or as perfect as they can be. It's hard to get a perfect entry. Okay, so we are 1 minute away from closing. It has came back down. Wow. Look at that, guys. So we have 1 minute to go. Let's see what we can make happen on this. Oh, 2 a.m. Yep. Those are the markets for you guys right there. Anything can happen. Look at that. That 2 a.m. is not closing as we expected it. But like I said, our stop loss is still there. Let it do its thing. We still have the same setup as far as a bigger picture goes. So let it do its thing and let's get this money. It's not over until the stop loss is hit. You know what I mean? Let's see what we can do. Let's see what we can do. Going for the double bottom. Let it just mess around here. Bam, come on. So, yeah, just as I said, it looked like it was gonna go just a little bit lower. I thought it was gonna close there and then go lower to build a wick, but it decided to do it before. Still no problem. Just give it time. Give it time to do its thing, and it should play out as we have uh as we have marked it up. Couldn't find the word for it, but it should play out as we have marked it up. So let's see. We're gonna stay live for another 8 minutes until 2:10 a.m. And then I am gonna go and continue watching this movie with my wifey. So, just about looking at the charts, seeing the setups, doing your calculations, your math, and going in. Let the markets do the rest, guys. Let the market do the rest while you get some rest. Man, I used to watch these markets all night, waiting for them to do their thing, but you can't do anything else. Once you have gone in and you have set your stop loss and everything, can't do anything else, guys. Let it do its thing. My word of advice to you. Shit's about to get real. We're about to make bread. If if y'all have any pairs that y'all want me to look at, just let me know too. I'm down to check out any pair. I got pretty much all of them marked up. I got all of them marked up, and then I just focus on the ones that show the most promise for that week. And sometimes it takes weeks for them to play out, for them to do the major move, like EuroCAD, been in the same spot for over 30 days, for over a month. It is ready to take off. Ain't that right, EuroCAD? CAD JPY as well. Divergence is retarded. It is ready. 3 more minutes, guys, and let's see what happens. And then I'll give you an update tomorrow. Or you can just look at the chart yourself tomorrow. See what happened. All right, guys. Oh, let's do an overview before we sign off. So on the hourly time frame, oh come on, it's always blocking. On an hourly time frame, we could see this just push all the way up and keep on rallying right now on this 2 a.m. candle. We could as well come a little bit lower and end up touching the trend all the way down here. We would go down about 10 pips or so to be able to do that price action and then take off. I believe we're already going to start going up from where we're at now. Um, but we'll see how it plays out. This 4 hour candle will probably, this will end up being a wick and will go all the way up, hopefully closing out of this price action completely by 4 a.m. so that we are able to close at around 147,400 or above. And then from there, we'll be able to just keep on pushing up with another 4 hour candle, hopefully, so that we can just rally all the way up out of here. That's what I'm looking at as far as Euro CAD. If we go to the weekly, how can we expect it to close if we see it doing what we see it doing? Then we would see it go all the way up here, closing above 148, 148, 400, which would end up being around 120 pips. So that is what I'm expecting this week, minimum for those 120 pips, but we can definitely go higher and end up closing maybe around 149,500 or at least hitting 149,500 before going lower to where we wanted to take the original target at 120. A position for the swing will be left on here because I do believe that we are gonna go all the way up again, minimum to this price action here at 158. And if we manage to do that, that is some major profits that you are looking at. 1,000 pips, I believe. So 47, 57. Yeah, I think it's 1,000 pips, guys. Let's measure it just to be sure, huh? Sorry, I heard something outside. Yeah, it's 1,000 pips, guys, to 158. So 1,000 pips if we write it all the way up. I am that's what I am looking at on EuroCAD, and then on CAD JPY before we sign off. So on CAD JPY on the daily and weekly, it's just looking like huge momentum is coming to the downside. So I could see this weekly coming and hitting 88,500, which would end up being around 200 pips, 850, 950, 050, yeah, around 200 pips. So that is what I'm looking for as far as CAD JPY, 100 pip target easily at 89,500 and going for the 200 pip target at 88,500. That is what I will be doing. And right now, everything is looking pretty good, pretty good. So with that, we are gonna sign off, guys. I hope that whoever watches this can learn something from it and hopefully gain something from it. So disclaimer, I am not a certified financial advisor. Anything that I do here, I do it for entertainment purposes. And if you do anything on your own decision making, then that is your choice. All right. Much love, JV. Wish you lots of profits. I'm out.